How to find your Epic Games security code. Hi guys, in this video you would learn how you can find your Epic Games security code. This process is quick and easy, so ensure you watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Epic account using the launcher or your Chrome version or your mobile app. Whichever way, just ensure that you log in. Once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like, because you'll be brought directly to the Epic Games store where you can see the trending games and you can get as many games as you want. Now, as you can see this, to find your Epic Games security code, move to the top right corner and then click on your profile image. Then once that is done, in the box displayed, scroll down and then select account. Alright, so after selecting account, you'll be directed to the account settings page. On this page, you'll see account information, personal details, etc. Then once you can see all of this, move to the left side of the screen, scroll down and select password and security. Now, after selecting password and security, you'll be brought to the change your passwords page. On this page, you can see for your security, we recommend you choose a unique password. You can decide to input a password and then scroll down. Now, once you scroll down, you will see two-factor authentication. This is where your security code can be found. Now, your security code can be found for three different method depending on the authenticator you want to use. Do you want to use the authenticator app, the email, or the SMS? Now, for each of these authentication method, a security code will be sent. For example, if it's the authenticator app, the security code will be shown in the app, which you have to input in on the page. But if it's for email, all you need to do is to click on setup, and then once you click on setup, a page would load and then a window would pop up at the middle of the screen asking you to input the security code that has been sent to your email. So all you need to do is check your email and then input the security code and click on enable email authentication, and then just like that, the security code would be entered in. The same thing applies to SMS as well as the two-factor authenticator. So this is basically how you can find your Epic Games authenticator or your Epic Games security code. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.